Okay, aga, di na kami dumaan sa red carpet. Kasi nagmamadali si Julius, may bandila. Dito kami sa usual na dinadaanan ng mga artista. Backstage mula sa level 3 parking, dito dumadaan. Ayan, so yan. Kanina maraming tao dyan, I'm sure, di ba, kuya? Dumaan sila aga. Tapos dadaanan mo rin, babe, yung stage. Nandun na yung mga interviewhan portion. Yes, ayan na, ayan, may host sila, oh. Yan yun. Patuloy stage. Diyan na sila aga. Shortcut. Ay, yun na. Ghost. First love. Nadaan tayo.
Ay, syempre, nandito na po. Kapag di pa nagsastart, Mr. Julius Papo. And of course, ang mga kasama po na po.
First love. What is your message to you? First love.
Ayan, syempre, full support, Mr. Julius Babaw. And Miss Tin Babaw. Ayan, Miss Tin Babaw.
Ay, sila aga.
Sir, atras lang po, sir.
Hi! Ay, wala to. Ayan sila kayo, right? Kasi ito na tayo. Wala ko lang. Kasi dyan sila ikas.
They were invited.
Teka, di ba natin? Wait lang.
Sa party na ano, ako na sana.
Siyempre, andun ako eh. Wait lang just take a picture. Miss Gretchen and hindi makita eh. So ayan si Agat si Bea, pero picture lang nila yan. Pakita na tayo, hindi ka na makikita niya. Ayan siya oh, kalabitin na natin. Nandito kami, present!
Thank you. Salamat.
Present! Okay, kiss nila. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Blockbuster! Bea! Co-host!
Ayan, habang hindi pa nagsastart, i-acknowledge lang natin at once again, Mr. Julius Babaw. And of course, Miss Titi Babaw. Ayan.
Absent ka na, Julius! Ha? Absent ka na!
Wag na.
Lalasingin ko!
Walang bandila!
Wala, pinaka-absent si Julius, oh.
Wala po si Julius Omea sa bandila.
Absent na siya, absent. Pinag-absent si Aga.
Alam ko na po yung balita, alam niyo yung mga balita.
Ayan, sige na. See you in London. Sana sa London. And there's the guy. Ayan na, present. Hello. Tayo lang.
This generation's movie queen, Miss Bea Alonzo. Can we give the mic to Bea, please?
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Hi, Queen.
Here tonight.
Would you like to thank them? And everyone's here. You're
Hindi, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat na nagpunta dito, sa lahat ng kaibigan namin, sa lahat ng supporters namin. This project is special to me and I want you to experience this film na in a special way, the same way that I experienced this film.
Thank you so much, Bea. And of course, the one and only Mr. Aga Mula.
I just want to thank everyone for coming here, all my friends, the fans, and everyone, the press. And I want to thank Viva and Star Cinema also, and ABS-CBN. And I'm just the happiest to have worked with Bea. It's our first movie together, and it's my first time to work with Paul Soriano. Now I can call him really the great Paul Soriano. Congrats, Direk! And congrats to the whole cast, of course. And
To the honors, Aga, introduce your
of course,
director.
the great director, Paul Soriano. The birthday boy and the birthday girl.
Wow, thank you so much. Coming from the greatest actor. Maraming salamat. Bea, pleasure working with you. Beautiful tonight, and we share birthdays. Happy birthday, Edward, Albie, of course, Tita Sandy. I don't know, she's not here. And to everybody, seriously, it took I think a country to make this film. Literally, we had to go also to Vancouver. So to the 1017P team, to Mark, to everyone, to my family up there, of course to Star Cinema, for Tita Malu, for always believing in me, even though sometimes, you know, I don't listen. Pero thank you both, Tita Malu, and to ABS-CBN, and to everyone. I love you guys all, and hopefully tomorrow you'll bless us.
Tito, pero I wanna congratulate you in the dark. Sobrang galing mo talaga. Talaga gifted talaga ng babae. Ako silent fan. Hindi na ako silent ngayon. Sobrang galing. Cross my heart. Hope to live. Hope to live. Galing. See you in London.
Thank you all.
And in the house, ha?
Yes!
Thank you sa'yo. Ingat.
Thank you.
Invite mo sila pala.
Oo nga. Showing na po first love.
Tomorrow is the first day.
I know, I'm so nervous. Pero sobrang happy ako sa
Kaya yan.
Please watch.
Box office.
Thank you. I hope
That's
so.
Jane. Enteng.
Ayaw niya mag-work. Sabi niya.
Enteng, kahit madilim, i-congratulate kita. Naka-camera ka. Cross my heart. Hope to live. Ang galing-galing mo talaga, Enteng. Fan talaga ako, fan. Super.
Sobrang linis.
Thank you, boy.
Congrats. Salamat. Kailan tayo inom? Thank you.
Ayos yan.
Thanks, Shirley.
Yay!
Thank you po. Congrats.
Salamat ah.
Galing. Galing mo.
Kaya ayaw ko sa'yo. Kaya kayo mga nandyan. Salamat ah.
Galing. Galing mo.
Kaya ayaw ko sa'yo. Kaya kayo mga nandyan.
Yung astronaut na nagdala eh. Tanong mo sa akin. Yung astronaut costume na nagdala, Ting.
Oh my gosh.
Ang galing. Anong pakiramdam mo, Ting? Iyak ako. Tunod kami Stars Born kagabi. Iyak ako. Napanood mo na ba yun?
Natin.
Kiniyak mo na naman ako.
But thank you, Tina.
Life is short.
Thank you,
Life is short.
guys. Thank you, guys. Paragoy.
Seize the day. Carpe diem. Ha? Ano? Yun eh. Iyak max. Direct ni Tintin Babaw. Sorry, I just have to put this on cam that I'm congratulating
Ay,
you.
no, thank you for coming. Maraming salamat.
And sobrang
First love.
galing. I
Thank
love
you,
the...
thank you.
Wait lang. Before I say what I want in the film, I just wanted to congratulate you. I love the way you directed the actors. You just let them be.
Yes.
I love the way yung style mo that they're walking sa streets and
The quiet
they talk
moments.
about life. Yeah.
Thank
Kasi
you, thank
nakita mo yung Canada. I haven't been to Canada. So na-appreciate mo yung place, the
Maraming
panoramic
salamat. That means
shots.
a lot, yeah.
Galing. And then yung, I can talk about it yung sa harap ng library. The choice of the settings. Sobrang perfect sa life conversations nila.
means a lot.
Sobrang direct.
Thank you so
Sobrang
much.
ganda. I see a
Maraming
box
salamat.
office.
Ay,
Box office.
please pray with us.
Carpe
Thank you.
diem.
Thank you, Carpe diem. Thank you.
Cross my heart.
Hope to live.
Hope to live. Thanks, Direk.
Thank you.
Where's Tony? Celestine.
Well, I think she sneak
She
out
left,
and
oh my
she's
God.
gonna go to her boy.
Basta ang ganda, Direk.
Thank
Your
you.
use of the part that they're walking constantly. I love it.
journey.
What's
Thank
your
you.
next? Yeah, it's
Wala
the
pa,
journey,
wala
yes.
pa, wala pa. But soon, sana soon. Thank you.
No,
Okay.
the one of Tony and yours.
Ah,
That's
yeah,
yours, diba?
producing ako.
Husband.
Producer.
Congrats again, Direk.
Thank you.
God
Okay.
bless you.
Watch your-
Direk, I love the story. It's about
Thank you.
life.
Yeah,
And is it your
yeah.
story,
It was my
Direk?
story. It was my story, my concept, and I'm glad that I was able to tell it, especially with Aga and Bea, diba? I mean, it's just really a dream come true for me. So, maraming salamat.
So you really
Thank
casted them. They were in
they
your mind
were
when you
Aga,
casted it.
Bea, top choice, and when I told them the concept, they signed on right away. Yes, Paul, we will be with you. So very
And
humble.
Direk, you did a great job.
Thank you.
You
Salamat, Mr.
let out the actors in them. And
Well, they're
you're
great
also-
actors. They're also great actors. So.
But if it weren't a great director.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Collaboration. Thank you.
Direct.
Okay, thank you.
Beginnings. No endings, only beginnings.
Everyone for that.
It was just even the quiet parts, the middle part that you're worried about. It was just
We were to make it simpler.
yeah, it was just right. Everything was just and then when you start letting go, you
Oh my God, in the end.
Payo pa na talaga, sakit na naman ako. Ito, walang tigas. Alam na.
I still cry.
Ako rin. Ako rin, Aga.
Thank you, babe.
Cry. Let's hear from the wifey.
Oh my God, I'm still crying. Umiiyak pa ako.
Ako rin.
Sobrang ganda. Oh my gosh.
Ano yung favorite part mo?
Naku, marami.
You're
But one
jerker
lesson
talaga.
the lesson that I like is really just seizing the day and living each moment to the fullest.
Yes.
Ayan, must see. Ganda
Masi
ng first
talaga,
love.
masi.
Bring the tissue.
Sobrang ganda. But I like the part sa ending. We won't spoil it for them. Like, he was there,
Just
present.
Lightens
Join
the
the
heart.
journey.
It lightens the
Hallelujah.
heart.
Yes.
Diba?
The heart never goes
Yeah.
old and the heart never dies.
Yes, oh my God.
So there you have it, guys. Highlights of the movie premiere of First Love. I just personally wanted to tell you to watch the movie. Go watch it. It's maganda siya. It's a tearjerker. It will remind you just how short life is. So you have to live the moment. Don't worry about the future. Live for the moment. Live today. Carpe diem. Seize the day, sabi nga nila dun sa movie. Aga and Bea, hindi na kinu-question yung galing nila bilang mga aktor. And Direct Paul Soriano directed this movie. Sobrang ganda ng pagkakadirect. So if I were you, go watch it with your loved ones and enjoy it. And I hope it gives you a new perspective about your life. First love, because we all believe that the heart never dies and it lives on. Hi everyone! Back home. Medyo nabitin ako dun sa short film review ko kanina ng First Love, and I just wanted to add a few more things before I post this on YouTube. I just wanted to say that after watching this film, First Love nga, nina Aga Mulak at Bea Alonzo, directed by Direct Paul Soriano, Aga Mulak is really one of the most talented, brilliant, gifted actors of his generation. Alam ni Aga yan, when we worked together sa Kung Ako Na Lang Sana in 2003, I told him many times, alam mo yan Aga, how I am a big fan of your work, your talent, and your artistry. From your Bagets days, to yung mga movies mo after, with Lea Salonga, with Claudine Barreto, who was there kanina to show her support sa'yo sa movie premiere. And of course, yung movie natin with Sharon, movie mo with Angel Locsin, with Jean Velasquez, and all your leading ladies. They're very fortunate to have worked with you. And I've seen how you have matured as an actor, being a fan and being a moviegoer. And dito ang naging strength mo sa First Love are all those quiet moments. Yung mata lang ang umaarte, yung mga mahihirap bitiwan ng mga linya na lagi mo nabibigyan ng justice, yung mga bitiw ng linyang maiiyak ka talaga, lalo na yung sinasabi mo na sa isang part doon na you wanted to give your heart to Bea. I don't want to spoil this for the people na hindi pa nakakapanood, but I just wanted to say na yun yung standout sa pelikula, yung talent yun ni Bea. And Bea is undoubtedly, again, like you, one of the most gifted actresses naman of her generation. Innate ang pagiging magaling na aktor at actress. Doon ako naniniwala. Nasa puso talaga. And nakadagdag na may magaling kay director, si Direk Paul Soriano, na nailabas yun. Nilagay kayo sa tamang mga lugar, hinayaan kayo mag-shine. At oo nga, if you ask me, ang mga paborito kong eksena sa pelikula ngayong gabi na hanggang ngayon natutuwa ako pag naisip ko, yung eksenang hinarana mo, si Bea. Doon sa library, Kakatawa yung scene na yun kasi nakita yung talent mo ulit sa pagsayaw. Very natural. Kakatawa eksena. Natural na natural yung eksenang yun. At syempre, yung astronaut scene. Super favorite ko. Cute-cute talaga ng astronaut scene na yun. It's so poetic din in many ways. Yung sinabi mo na you were bullied before and you know, you just wanted to have a feeling na you'll just disappear someday, na walang makakaalam na you disappeared and that you didn't matter if you disappeared in outer space. It speaks on so many levels about life. I like that. Ganda, yung nagpunta kayo sa costume party na naka-astronaut costume. Cute-cute talaga. Ng eksenan yun. So yun ang mga favorite scenes ko. Yung library scene, Harana scene, tapos yung naka-astronaut costume ka. Ganda. And all the scenes, no, na nandun ka sa lake, just recording your life experiences. So yun, it's a beautiful tearjerker. But you gotta watch it, guys. Kasi kahit iiyak kayo, kahit mauubos yung tissue dala nyo, worth it. Kasi mapapaisip kayo na that you have to really treasure life and every moment, every second. Bea was in the character sa movie as Ali, as Allison. She was living her day as if it was her last day. And itong si Aga, binigyan niya ng hope that love comes and love can come in the nick of time. And yet love can always stay because the heart never grows old and the heart never dies, just like love. Ganda. So again, congratulations to the cast, and I hope this one will become a box office hit, and I hope this movie will bring awards again to Aga and to Bea and to Direk and everyone else in the movie. First Love, watch it. You'll fall in love with the movie. Itanong mo sa akin kung sino aking mahal. Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magtatagal.